Hello everyone. Hello students. So the good news is that the syllabus is reduced. In class 10th, many topics have been deleted. Good news is that the syllabus is reduced and the new syllabus is available. You can download the syllabus from cbseacademic.nic.in. The reduced syllabus is available now and you can see the deleted topics and the topics which will come in your board examination. Many topics have been deleted. Around 30% syllabus is deleted, and in SST many chapters are deleted. Yes, you are right, many chapters are deleted. So see the syllabus carefully and now prepare the topics. Do your preparation accordingly. Let us see which topics have been removed. So first we will talk about science subject. Unit 1, chemical substances. From chapter metals and non-metals, deleted topics are basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention. These topics have been deleted. So now you don't have to study them. Questions from these topics will not be asked in the board exam. Next, from chapter carbon and its compounds, following topics are deleted. Nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups: halogen, alcohols, ketones, aldehyde, alkenes, alkynes. Nomenclature is deleted. Next topic that is deleted: difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Chemical properties of carbon compounds: combustion, oxidation, addition, substitution reaction, ethanol, ethanoic acid, soap and detergent. So basically you can say that the complete chapter is deleted now. Many topics have been deleted from this chapter. Next, from biology, following topics are deleted: control and coordination in animals and plants, tropic movements in plants, introduction of plant hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary, reflex action, chemical coordination, animal hormones. So you can say almost all the topics are covered now that are deleted. Next, from heredity and evolution, basic concepts of evolution. This topic is deleted. Next, from unit 3, that is natural phenomena, the human eye and colorful world. Following topics are deleted: functioning of a lens in human eye, defects of vision and their correction, application of spherical mirror and lenses. From unit 4, effects of current. Following topics are deleted: generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, domestic electric circuits. From unit 5, natural resources, chapter sources of energy. Many topics are deleted. You can say the complete chapter is deleted now. Different forms of energy: conventional, non-conventional, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water, tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable, non-renewable sources of energy. So as you can see that many topics have been removed. So now you can study properly and now you should start studying. So coming to math subject, in maths, first unit, number system. From this, Euclid division, this topic has been removed from real numbers. From unit 2, algebra, chapter number polynomials. Chapter polynomials, following topic is deleted, that is division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. Next, from linear equations, cross multiplication method is deleted. From quadratic equation, this topic is deleted. From AP, arithmetic progression, this topic is deleted. Coming to unit 3, coordination geometry. From coordination geometry, area of triangle is deleted. And coming to unit 4, that is geometry. So the proof theorems are deleted, which are usually asked in the examination. Now they have been deleted, so questions will not come from this. Next, from circles, there is no deletion, no topics is deleted. So you have to cover the whole chapter, you have to study the whole chapter. Next, from chapter constructions. From constructions, this topic is deleted. Next, from trigonometry unit, Introduction to trigonometry. Following topic is deleted. Trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. From chapter height and distances, there is no deletion. From unit 6, mensuration. Chapter areas related to circle. The following topic is deleted. Problems on central angle of 120 degree. Surface areas and volumes, frustum of cone. This topic is deleted. From unit 6, statistics and probability. Following topics are deleted, that is step deviation method and cumulative frequency graph. And from chapter probability, there is no deletion. So you have to study the whole chapter, complete chapter. That is quite interesting. Now you have to study less. Now coming to SST, coming to social science, class 10th. First we will talk about history. Section 2, livelihoods, economies and societies. Any one out of the following two chapters you have to do, chapter 3 or 4. So you have to prepare one chapter, that is chapter 3 or chapter 4. And that will be assessed to be assessed in the periodic test and not in the board exam. So it will not be asked in your board exam. Next, section 3, everyday life, culture and politics. Chapter number 5, print culture and the modern world. This chapter is deleted. Okay. Now unit number 2. Unit 2, we will talk about geography now. Chapter 2, forest and wildlife. Complete chapter is deleted. Chapter 3, water resources. Complete chapter except for map items will be assessed in the examination. So this also you can say the whole chapter is deleted. Only the map work will come in the board exam. Now chapter number 5, mineral and energy resources. Complete chapter except for map work. So map work will be asked in the board exam. Next, unit 3, that is political science. Many topics have been removed. Many topics are deleted. Chapter 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8. 3, 4, 5 and 8. All these chapters are deleted. Complete chapter are deleted. Okay. I hope you are happy now. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Thank you.